Hello, Introduction to Social Work. I am here to do your walkthrough for week 2, January 25th. Okay, so just make that a little bigger, I think, maybe. Why is that not getting bigger? There we go. Now it's bigger. All right. So this week we're going to be talking about the history of the social work, social welfare system. And the profession. If you still need last week, so I'm about to upload this. It is not even 7 o'clock yet on Sunday because I don't know, I'm ahead. If you still need to do the quiz and everything for last week, that's fine. You can go on this link here and you'll see that, that it goes to week 1 and you can access the quiz from there. You can also do that through the modules at any time. Just click on modules and you can go to whatever week is unlocked. Okay, so not a ton due this week. We are still having people, join and leave and all of that stuff. So I didn't want to overwhelm you with work. The assignment due this week is social work in this moment. I'll talk about that in just 1 second. So read chapter 2 in your book. Watch the lecture. Here's the link to the lecture. There's only one part to the lecture this week because it was pretty short. I took out the slides that you can see in the PowerPoint file that talk about the specific periods of time. I thought you didn't really need me to talk about that. It's covered in your book, but it's really important because it's actually in your assignment. So let's talk about your assignment for a second. Okay, so if you have not looked at the PowerPoint, this is not necessarily going to make all that much sense to you, but hang in there. When you look at the PowerPoint for this week, you'll see that what the book authors did was they named and then divided American historical periods in social work by kind of what the overarching themes were and what the social welfare issues were and what the values were. And the one that they have identified as most recent begins in 2000 and 2001 and like goes to present. I don't know about that personally. So I think that I want you to do it yourself. I would like you to name and date the period that you think that we're in. So if you think we're in the Trumpian era, which I picked a very boring example because of course I don't want you to name it what I named it. I want you to name it for what you think we're in. And I want you to name and describe in 3 to 10 sentences. So that's like a good paragraph, right? Do whatever you need to, take as much space as you need to do this properly. 3 really, really strong, robust sentences might do it, but probably not, right? So keep going. But to talk about what you think the key social welfare issues are of the current era that we're in, as you've named it, and then what the values for this period are. So there's no wrong answers for this assignment. This is not an assignment that requires you to have a lot of, esoteric academic knowledge. That's not what the purpose of this assignment is. The purpose of this assignment is to get you to think about the social context that we're living in right now and to kind of characterize it from your own perspective. I am expecting that, there's like 42 or something of you in this class right now as I am writing this assignment, and I am expecting there to be 42 very different answers, right? Because you're coming from different perspectives and have different backgrounds and different kind of contexts. So I'm interested about what this is from your perspective. And, I'm looking here for quality writing and to figure out how engaged you are with the social context that we're in. That will help me understand quite a bit about the students in this class so that I can write assignments that are appropriate for your level. So really, put put some real effort into this, um, and demonstrate, kind of your understanding of where we are um, socially in this moment. Okay. So as always, you have your module quiz that's going to be due on Sunday night, and it will lock at that time. If you have questions or anything like that, please come to office hours. And again, as always, if you have anything that you want to talk about or anything that you want me to talk about, please send me a message. I will be more than happy to do a video or a recording or to email with you about it, whatever it is that you need. All right. Have a good week. Thank you.